Today I am telling about learning outcome 5, factorizing algebraic expression. Let's see page number 24. Factorizing algebraic expression. First of all, you know about the factors. Factors. In the earlier class, in the 5th and 6th standard, you have done factors and multiples. Factors. Let's see factors. I take one example. 8 1 multiply 8, 8 1 the 8, 2 4 the 8. Now factors of 8 is 1 2 4 and 8. Now multiple of 5 is 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20. This is the multiple of 5. Now GCF or HCF, both are same meaning. GCF means greatest common factor or HCF means highest common factor. Now factors of 10, 1 2 5 10. This is the factors of 10, same as factors of 25, 1 5 and 25. Factors of 40, 1 2 4 5 8 10 and 20. Now 5 is common in these 3 factors. That means 5 here, 5 also here, and 5 also in this factors of 40. That means 5 will be the common factor. HCF, that means highest common factor, greatest common factor. 5 will be the highest common factor. Now factorization of algebraic expression. Factorization of algebraic expression. Factorization has 3 types. Let's see. First of all, common monomial. You know about the monomial term. मोनोमियल टर्म में से आपको कॉमन फैक्टर्स को चूज करना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. 5x, 45xy. These two are monomial term. Now what is common? 5 in numerical. If I talk about numerical coefficient of variables, 5 here, 45. Now 5 in both terms, 5. Now variable x, here variable x, that means common is x. 5x will be the common factor. Now binomial is common factor. Now next आपका फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में बाइनोमियल टर्म का आप कॉमन फैक्टर कैसे चूज करोगे, कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल वेयर 2x into x plus 3, 3 into x plus 3. Now which one is common? X plus 3. You can write x plus 3 common factor. Now grouping terms. Grouping terms means here algebraic expression is given. You have to make 2 pairs. First of all, we'll take these 2 pairs. You can take 2 pairs. You can find out it. But in this sum, I take 3xy plus 7x minus 3y minus 7 in next 2 terms. Here x variable is common, x is common, x outside. Now bracket start. What is left? 3 and y. That's why 3y. Now plus as it is, x outside. What is left? 7 is here. Now bracket close. Here sign is minus. Here no one is common, that's why I will write here 1. Now 3y as it is, minus here minus plus here 7. आपको कॉमन फैक्टर्स चूज करने हैं. आपके पास दोनों में सेम कॉमन 3y plus 7, here 3y plus 7. That's mean you have to write 1 time 3y plus 7. 1 time write करेंगे. Now what is left? x minus 1. These 2 factors, 3y plus 7 into x minus 1, it will be the answer. ये होती है हमारी grouping terms, factors of grouping terms. Now let's see the solution of your exercise. You can solve yourself. Compulsory questions, comprehensive questions. Let's see the first sum. 3x square minus 9x square y minus 27x square z. Let's see the solution. Here 3 is common in this term, 3 terms, 3 is common. Now x square also common. जो आपकी स्मॉलेस्ट पावर है उसको आपने बाहर की ओर फाइंड आउट करके बाहर लिखेंगे. हम वेरिएबल की पावर लीस्ट पावर को बाहर लिखेंगे. एक्स स्क्वायर. नाउ ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट. 1 is left, 3x square outside, 1 is left, minus table of 3 we get 9 is 3. Now x square outside, what is left? Y. Now minus as it is, table of 3 we get 27 on 9, that's why 9. Here x की power 3. Here x की power 3, that means we will write x की power 3, 2 outside. Now what is left? 3 minus 2, you get 1 x, that means 1 x z as it is, bracket close. It will be the answer. You can solve all these sum yourself. These sum you can solve yourself. Comprehensive questions you can try itself. Now enrichment question. Which of the following is the most appropriate statement with respect to the concept factorization of algebraic expression? The greatest common factor of the term 3x and 15 of the expression is 3x plus 15 is 3. That means 3x and 15. You can distribute in factor 3 multiply x and 15 3 multiply 5. Now which one is, what is common? 3. That means it will be the greatest common factor. Now 3x and 15 is 15? No, it is not possible. Now C part. The greatest common factor of the term 2x square and 5x of the expression. Now 2x is common? No. Now the greatest common factor of the term 2x square and 5x of the expression is x square? No. These all are not true. Only for A is true. Now second question. Which of the following is the most appropriate statement with respect to the concept factorization of algebraic expression? The process of finding the term factors of a number and expressing the number as a product of factors is called algebraic expression. The process of finding the factors of a number and expressing the number as a product of factors is called factorization. आप देखिए आप लोग क्या बोला गया इसमें, प्रोसेस ऑफ फाइंडिंग द फैक्टर्स. फैक्टर्स को आप जब फाइंड कर रहे हो ऑफ ए नंबर, या नंबर का आप फैक्टर फाइंड करते हो, एंड एक्सप्रेसिंग द नंबर, उस नंबर को एक्सप्रेस करना एज ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फैक्टर्स. प्रोडक्ट के फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट के टाइप में लिखना इज कॉल्ड फैक्टराइजेशन. यही आपका फैक्टराइजेशन का वे होता है. और यहाँ पर अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन नहीं होता है. फैक्टर एज ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फैक्टर्स इज कॉल्ड अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इज रॉन्ग. नाउ द प्रोसेस ऑफ फाइंडिंग द फैक्टर्स of a number and expressing the number as a product of factor is called multiples. No, multiple is table of 5. That means. Now next is the algebraic expression can be factorized into smaller, simpler algebraic expression which when multiplied together give the original expression. That means जब आप किसी भी फैक्टर्स करते हो, किसी भी algebraic expression को सिंपल फॉर्म में आप को गिवन है, जब आप इसकी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपके पास ओरिजिनल एक्सप्रेशन अपने आप ऑलरेडी आपके पास वही सेम क्वेश्चंस आपके पास गिवन होगा. सपोज आई गिव द टेक द एग्जांपल 2y plus 6. सपोज you take the common factor is 2, 2 is common, then 2. Now bracket start y plus 3. Whenever you multiply it you get same earlier algebraic